Hello and welcome today. This is Shanna for Trinity Stamps. I am here today with a product preview video for the new release for the second celebration birthday release for Trinity Stamps. I am showcasing the Slimline series Lift the Flaps die set. It's a 4-piece die set that allows up to 4 different surprise flaps in your cards. The largest die measures 8.5 by 3.5 inches and is perfect for including money or a gift certificate in your card as a surprise. The larger rectangle flap measures 3 3/4 inches wide and 2 3/4 inches tall, perfect for a gift card. Add several of the smaller circle or rectangle flaps on your cards for lots of different interactive fun ideas. So let's get started. The largest rectangle here, as you can see, I'll flip it over, cuts on 3 sides, leaving this side uncut and only scoring. The smallest rectangle, also 3 sides, that side scores. The circle, that's the side that scores. And this rectangle, that is the edge that will score, not cut. So bringing back in the largest rectangle, this is made to fit our Slimline cards. Measures 3.5 by 8.5 inches. As you can see, when it cuts a frame with a flap that opens in the middle. You score across that line and fold up. Just to show, it does fit perfectly on a folded Slimline base covering the entire front. So 3.5 by 8.5 inches. Some different options for this card I see are hidden money. Sending money to a person for a gift, you can just adhere it right under that flap and it'd be super cute. Next up is the second largest die. I am going to go ahead and cut it and show you on an A2 card base. So as you can see, you can open it in the center of your card, or you could layer multiple on like a Slimline and have that effect too. That is the creased edge that does not cut. I am just doing a simple fold back. You could do a more intricate or pressed fold with a bone folder. And then perfect for like a peekaboo scene or a hidden gift card. Next is the smallest rectangle. I love this one. This one is super cute for like a hidden sentiment, or even if you turn it sideways, I see like a door opening. You could do like a little house scene and maybe draw in some steps down the sides right there. Last up is the circle lift the flap. I'm cutting this one on an A2 base as well in the middle. It reminds me of like a porthole. It'd be super cute like on an ocean scene with a sentiment underneath, or maybe another hidden little critter. Lots of fun things you can do with that, like a window. So bringing back in all the examples from today, there are 4 different dies for endless options. Some options I can imagine are like maybe a flat postcard style, where you use a lift the flap to write the message on the inside of your card instead of opening a card to do it. Obviously the hidden gift cards I'm going to be making a ton of. Those are super cute. Hidden peekaboo scenes where you have a secondary scene hidden under your main ones. Lots of options, guys. Can't wait to see what you do with it. While you're here, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see all the wonderful inspiration our DT gives you. And here are some of the wonderful projects our creative team has done to inspire all of you guys for this release.